Stop buying the wrong mesh Wi-Fi system. In 2026, you should not have a single Wi-Fi dead zone in your home. The fix is so easy, it's practically automatic, and you do not need to be a networking genius to do it. I'm about to show you the 5 absolute best mesh systems for anyone who just wants great Wi-Fi without the headache. And my number 1 pick is so simple and powerful, it honestly feels like magic. Let's kick things off with our number 5 spot, the Asus ZenWiFi AX. Now, this is for the beginner who thinks they might not be a beginner for long. The best thing about this system is its sheer power and customizability. You get fantastic speeds and a ton of pro-level features hidden just beneath the surface in the app. If you like to tinker, this system will grow with you. It's perfect for the gamer or the tech-curious person who wants a simple setup now, but the option to dive deep later. The honest flaw? That same strength is its weakness for a true beginner. The app has so many options it can feel a little intimidating if all you want to do is set it and forget it. But what if you don't want to tinker at all, and you just want the absolute fastest speeds money can buy? Well, that brings us to the behemoth at number 4, the Netgear Orbi RBK852. The best feature here is raw, unapologetic performance. This thing is a speed demon. It uses a dedicated wireless channel to talk between the router and the satellites, which means your devices get the fastest connection possible. This is for the person with a huge house, tons of smart home gadgets, and a fiber internet connection who just wants to crush lag forever. The honest flaw? It's expensive. You are paying a serious premium for that performance, and Netgear really pushes its Armor Security subscription, which can get a little annoying. So the Orbi is a performance king, but that price is tough to swallow. If you want the future of Wi-Fi without taking out a second mortgage, you need to see our number 3 pick, the TP-Link Deco XE75. Its killer feature is Wi-Fi 6E at an incredible price. That 6E gives you access to the brand new, wide-open 6 GHz band, which is like having your own personal VIP highway for your newest devices, free from traffic and interference. This is for the savvy buyer who wants the latest tech for their new phone or laptop and the best possible bang for your buck. The honest flaw? While the app is super easy to use, it lacks some of the deeper controls of the Asus, and the hardware itself feels a little less premium than the others on this list. It's a workhorse, not a show horse. Getting great value is smart. But for some people, the absolute simplest, most brain-dead easy experience is worth everything. If your motto is, just make it work, then our number 2 system, the Eero Pro 6E, was built for you. Eero's best feature is its setup and app. It is, without a doubt, the most foolproof, set it and forget it, system on the market. You plug it in, you scan a code with your phone, and you're done. The app is clean, simple, and it just works, managing everything in the background for you. This is for the person who truly does not want to think about their Wi-Fi ever again. The honest flaw? It's pricey for what it is, and with Amazon owning Eero, it heavily pushes you into their ecosystem, which might not be for everyone. It's hard to beat the simplicity of the Eero. But what if you could get that same dead simple setup, combined with a beautiful design and seamless integration with the smart home you already use every day? That brings us to my number 1 pick for the best mesh Wi-Fi for beginners in 2026, the Google Nest WiFi Pro. Its best feature is the perfect balance of simplicity, performance, and design. The setup through the Google Home app is ridiculously easy, and it manages your network beautifully without you ever needing to touch a thing. It looks fantastic, so you won't have to hide it in a closet, which actually improves performance. This is for absolutely anyone who uses Google services, has a smart home, or just wants fast, reliable Wi-Fi that disappears into the background of their life. The honest flaw? For networking experts, the lack of advanced settings and limited Ethernet ports is frustrating. But for a beginner? That simplicity is exactly why it's number one. It removes all the complexity and just delivers great Wi-Fi. And that is the list. Every single one of these will eliminate dead zones in your house. The best one for you just depends on your budget and your needs. To get the absolute best, up-to-the-minute prices on all 5 of these systems, I've done the homework for you. Make sure you check the pinned comment and the description for the best deals right now.